All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Yes No YouTube channel. It's your host, Slick Rick, and today we're going to be doing part 2 of the install of the new brakes, which are right here. Now, so if you haven't seen part 1, it was me breaking down, pretty much taking everything off the bike, which is of course right here, as you see. Boom, 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 boom. As I showed you the parts earlier, I'm going to be installing these parts onto the bike so we can get this thing back up and running. And, I can finally bet the brakes in and all that stuff. And, yeah. And also do a bit of cleanup work on the bike, too. Wash it off and all that good stuff. All right. Well, let's get to it. All right. I want you to please keep this in mind. When I bought these brakes, they are thicker than the old ones. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean. These are the ones I'll be installing. As you see, these lines are thick, very thick. These, if I can get them over here, these are thinner. I think you can see the thickness in the video. These are the ones I got from Aniioki that I bought. These were the original ones on the bike. Now, I preface with saying this, if you do plan on doing a whole brake tear down of these parts, just know that when you're installing this to a, I'm gonna just call this 2025 brakes, 2026 brakes, okay? So when you're installing these brakes, as you can see, these brakes, you gotta keep in mind, I bought 2026 brakes that I think these were honestly meant for the 72 volt that Aniioki released a couple months ago. So while these are the 60 volt brakes, so these are 72 volt brakes, which are the 2026. These are the 2025 brakes, which is for the 60 volt. You might get sent the 72 volt brakes and they might not fit well. If I can show you. So keep in mind, this right here is the 2025 brakes for the 60 volt that originally came on the bike, and they might not screw in well with this 2026. When these right here are 2025s for the back brake. So the front brakes and back brakes right here. So they might not fit. Just keep that in mind when you're buying these brakes for it, because you might just have to buy a whole new set, because these little screws right here aren't going to fit in this little reservoir thing right here. Unfortunate, but yeah, because that's what you might be getting when you buy. So I want you guys to keep that in mind while you do purchase and all that good stuff. So yeah. So right now I'm going to be pushing these hose clamps up to the back of this hole right here, which is where the controller box is, and showing and of course last video I already put the if you can see, if I get a little bit closer, put some paper towel on there with some tape so it doesn't get destroyed while I'm putting it through the whole process. So yeah. All right, as you can see, that's the hole in the back. So I'm gonna be leading these through there. First, I want to move these controllers out the way. Once we got that all kneaded up, I'm going to be attaching these front parts. Alright, so pretty much everything else is pretty much explanatory. As you can see, I have put those on, of course. As soon as you unpack the bike, you gotta put on both dual calibers. I did screw in this one right here. It's not positive if the brakes are working properly. It's a bit of trial and error. All right, so if you guys like the video, like it. If you want to see more, subscribe, and peace out.